We're gonna be making protein pumpkin spice muffins. I recently just made this and they came out so good. I got the recipe from Claire. I'll tag the creator in the description down below. But I did tweak like 2 things. Instead of oats, I used the Kodiak Cake pancake mix as my flour. And then I also used a different protein powder than she did. So Kodiak pancake mix. And we're gonna do 1.5 cups of this. So there's 1 cup. And there's 1/2 cup. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this Legion whey protein oatmeal cream pie. It's really, really good. 1 scoop of that. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna do a pinch of salt. I'm gonna use the Celtic salt. Just give a good little pinch. And I'm gonna do pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon. I think she just did pumpkin pie spice, but I'm also gonna add cinnamon. Gonna give the dry ingredients a good mix. I also have my oven going at 350 degrees. So we're gonna add 2 eggs. You can either do maple syrup or you could do honey. I'm gonna do honey, and it's a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm just going to pour it directly and eyeball it into my bowl because I don't want to put it in my measuring cup because it's just gonna stick in here anyway. So I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of honey. And we're gonna do 1 can of pumpkin puree. I did tweak a couple of the ingredient measurements compared to what Claire did. So I'll put my measurements in the description down below for y'all too. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. And then we're gonna do a 1/3 cup of milk. This is what it looks like. This is what it should look like. It smells delicious. I have my little muffin pan right here. I'm going to spray it with some coconut oil. It looks like my oven is now at 350 degrees, so it's ready. I'm gonna start placing some of this batter into each little section. I'm gonna set the timer for 17 minutes. Just took the muffins out of the oven. I baked them for 17 minutes at 350, and we're gonna let them completely cool. They smell so good. If you guys try this recipe, let me know, and hope you guys enjoy it.